Hey, what's up guys? V here. Hope you guys are having a good new year starting out, and we all hope that this one's better. So anyway, today I am going to be taking a shot at installing the Poetic Explorer. This is a book style cover case on this. Something new that I'm not used to from Poetic, but I'm used to the Revolutions or the Spartans. I did get the Revolution. I have an unboxing video on that one as well. I'll throw a link to that video also in the description. I'm going to be installing and uninstalling this. People seem to like that. So anyway, I will be right back and we'll get into the unboxing. Okay, so we are back. Again, this is Poetic Explorer. Give a shout out to Poetic for sending this over. They've been really good with working with my channel, and I really do appreciate it. So let's get right into this. So here we have the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and we are going to be taking a look at the case from Poetic for that. This Explorer case. Pop that box off. Got the little you need to see this, but you have the Poetic branding and all that. I love the silver and black box. I don't know, it's just a little sharper to me. Let's get this off here. Take a look at this. Feels nice. Like rubberized, got a little hexagon patterns here. Poetic branding. A nice little flip. Oh, got a magnet. Close there. It's actually pretty sharp. Anyway, let's get into this, and let's pull this out of here. Let's pop this off. See if these is a snug fit as usual from Poetic, which I love. I mean, sometimes they are a little hard to get on, but I mean, it just feels like it's gonna stay on and it's a lot more sturdy. So get rid of that. Got your frame here. I'm also a fan of this now, where you install the unit or the device into the frame first, like the front frame first, and then pop it in. I really like that. I think it makes the fit a lot snugger. We got your military drop protection here, little logo, Poetic branding on there. This little cool little pattern there. Got some breathing room here. Cut out for the S Pen and the camera. Speaker cutouts. Let's go ahead and get the tablet in there. Again, this is the S7 Plus. Love this tablet. Is really cool. I still have some videos I need to put up of drawing on it. Let's see here. Let's get that popped on. Nice fit as usual. Let's see. Down here. Grab that around there. And then we're going to pop it in. We'll put it on this side with the S Pen, the camera there. Start with a corner. And this is going to be a rough one, as usual. But like I said, it's sturdy. Fits nice. Let's see. Pull that up. That up. Get this corner. It's usually really not that bad as long as you get the corners going and get them started and work your way around the tablet. And there we are. That wasn't too bad. There we go. Speaker cutouts there. Charge port there. Microphones. That's nice. Okay. Flip it closed. Your magnet there. Got your protection for the screen. Let's pop it off here. Let's see if I can see how to stand this up. Oh, okay, yeah. So we got a groove here. You can just pop that in the groove there. It stands like that. Seems to be only one viewing angle on it. Let's see. Any other angles we could put it at? I guess we could, let's see. Nope, that looks to be it. I think that is it. So, got that there. And then it's going to kind of look, has a little reinforcement for it to stand it up. You're looking at your shows and stuff. So there we go. And put the S pin in. It already has the magnet for the S pin, but get you that. And they put these little clasps here as well to keep that in there. And also, you get the protection with that flap magnet there. Got some feet here, so it doesn't sit flat. Get the angle, see if you can see it. Looks pretty cool. Extra corner protection. There we go. Now let's take it off. Again, start at the corner, give it a little pull there, put some pressure. It should come right off for you. There we go. All right. Then pop the frame out. Nothing to it. S pin there. Poetic Explorer. From Poetic, I will put a link in the description below for this. Until next time, this is V. I'm out.